how to buy the TrumpWIF hat token. So this token, it's available right now for pre-sale. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money to some crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. So this token, it came under the symbol of TrumpWIF. Now to be able to buy this token, go and open their official website in the pre-sale. So as you can see, now what you need to do, the minimum to buy with is 0.1 sol. So type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token after you click on buy. As you can see, send 0.5 sol to the following wallet address, as you can see. And after that, copy the wallet address here, go to your Phantom wallet to be able to send that amount to this token address. Now click on send, select the Solana, paste the address here. So here type how much, so 0.5. After that, click on next and complete the send process. So after you send that amount to that address, in order you will be able to receive that amount on your wallet. So as you can see, this is how to buy TrumpWIF token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.